call home, where the oak trees grow, where the moonlight glows. But I wish that I was somewhere else, where the sound of city lights keeps me company at night. She's got a sweet personality, smiling from inside the window screen, and she's opening the door to me. Just a stranger, but I'll take it. I'm alone and feeling shameless. Maybe we can go when our work gets slow. We can take a ride to the other side of town. Life gets so complicated. The pictures that you take keep our memory in place, and I wish that I'd settle for all this, but sometimes I need a fix to take its place. Let's get away. When the cold cuts through our bones, we can drive past all the snow. South of Memphis we'll go, where we can shed these clothes and breathe again. And someday we will return, find a place to call our own, build the walls around our